Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alexis. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have had a great week, a nice, healthy, productive week. Don't forget to drink your water, y'all. So the topic of today's video is Nomador. It's an app that I personally use and I personally enjoy. Can't wait to use again. So the gist of it is connecting house sitters slash pet sitters with people who need sitters. So essentially, let's say I have a home in Florida and I am going to Paris for 2 weeks in about a month. And you are on the app and you see my listing and I'm requesting that you watch my two dogs for that time frame, that 2 week period. And you're available. What we would do is connect on the app. We would talk, usually maybe have like a little FaceTime, Zoom, FaceTime, whatever it may be, get to know each other and ensure it's a good fit. The app also checks your background when you apply to become a sitter on the app. So I know that you're not crazy and that you're gonna take care of my animals. If we feel like it's a good fit, when that day comes, I will leave and go on my trip. You will come to my home in Florida and take care of my animals. And in exchange, you get to stay in my home for free and, explore wherever area you are. You're not bound to the home just because you're pet sitting or watching plants or, doing house sitting duties. As long as you take care of what you need to take care of, the rest of the time is yours. And so it's an awesome app because obviously I get free pet sitting, house sitting services, and the other person gets to enjoy the lifestyle that comes with seeing Florida, getting to travel and having your accommodations taken care of. Really amazing app and I quite enjoy it, especially because I got to use it. And for myself, I went to Austin, Texas sometime last year and I work from home, so it was perfect because I was still able to do my job and enjoy Austin, Texas for what I had to offer. And side note, if you haven't been there yet, highly recommend Austin, Texas. Amazing city, awesome people, amazing food. Austin has a personality of its own, and if you haven't been there, you're definitely missing out. But yes, so I quite enjoyed Nomador in Austin for what it had to offer. While I was there, like I said, I did get to work from home and I got to go to quite a few networking events and meet people that I would not otherwise have been able to still being in Florida. And so how this connects into my channel now is there's so many business opportunities to be made around the world. Nomador is an international platform. So I could pet sit or house sit in Austin, Texas, or I could pet sit in Canada, Paris, Africa, Jamaica. There's so many places that I've seen on the website. It's amazing. And you really open yourself up to a wide range of people, a wide range of business opportunities, networking opportunities that, obviously nothing may happen in that moment, but you never know who you can utilize in the future, who can utilize you in the future, where your path may go in the future, depending on, what your goals are in life. And so Nomador really helps to connect people, build a sense of community, as well as, maybe you're a traveling hairstylist or you can become one where let's just say you do braids in an area of Florida and you can only charge about $100, but you can go up north, especially like Maryland, DMV area, and you can charge $175 for that same style. You can also explore a city that you've never been to. And I know for myself, because I am such an avid traveler and I love getting out of my element and seeing something new, changing up my surroundings, it helps me feel rejuvenated and it boosts my creativity when I travel. And I can see what other people are doing and what other businesses are happening in this area, especially something like that you might not have thought of. Like, for example, a men's spa. You don't see that often, but I did see one in a different area of Texas that I got to visit. And really just letting your creative juices flow when you get to travel to another place. In addition, there's just so many opportunities to make money while you travel as well. You can consult, you can go to networking events, you can take whatever you do as a side hustle and do it there and charge more. You know what I mean? Build your clientele. For myself, you guys have seen my crop tops in previous videos that are now on Etsy and still on Etsy. If you guys want to check them out, link will be in the description below. But what I did was I took my crop tops with me and I sold them while I was there. What does that do? Well, now I have an audience in Austin, Texas. And people are out there wearing my crop tops, and they're gonna be out. Someone's gonna say, "Oh, that crop top is gorgeous. Where'd you get it from?" Obviously, and then they're gonna say, "Hey," and hopefully, you know, plug me. But stuff like that, really broadening your customer base by traveling is amazing. You can't go wrong by doing it. And going even further, if you're at your 9 to 5 right now, and you know, making good money there, you can also still, and obviously you work from home, you can also travel with Nomador. Or if you happen to, you know, need to be somewhere like a conference, a convention, you could utilize Nomador as well. You know, it's definitely, traveling and business go hand in hand quite often. All you have to worry about is your flight if that happens to not be covered by your job. So it's a pretty awesome platform, and using it is really easy. All you do is sign up. They do ask you for some verification, so your full name, date of birth, you know, phone number, email, that type of stuff. You do have to submit your social security number for a background check. Nothing sketchy though, it is just for a background check. They also ask you to submit a picture of your ID so they know that you are a real person. And the more that you are willing to submit, the higher your tier is. So if somebody like me is looking for a sitter, I see, okay, they've been verified, they've been background checked, X, Y, and Z. I feel more comfortable with letting you in my home, versus if you sign up with the basics of just your name and email, I'm probably not going to be as likely to let you come into my home, because who are you? You know what I mean? So you sign up, and there is a fee to use the app. I believe it was like $15 a month, so it's really, really cheap for what you're getting. And then, boom, you pay for it. The process for verification took about 2 days, I believe. Once you're verified and paid for it, you can start exploring. And the app allows you to put in like what month or what dates that you're available for. You can do the plus or minus if you're flexible with your schedule. And you can narrow it down to certain countries, certain regions of the world. You can do worldwide. You can do whatever you like. You can also narrow your options to, like, okay, I'm only willing to watch cats or dogs or both, or you know what, I'm just a plant person, that's all I'm willing to take care of. You can tailor it to your needs. If you're super flexible, you're able to find so many great opportunities. It's really an awesome app, guys. So if I've introduced you to Nomador, if you learned anything today, hit the like button and definitely subscribe. We're growing this year, guys. We're at 350 subscribers right now, and we are getting to 1,000 by the end of the year. I'm claiming that. I'm speaking that, universe. So help me help you guys. As soon as I can, you know, as I keep growing, I can put out more content, invest more money into my content, really give you guys your bang for your time. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace.